What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. Another unboxing video. I make a lot of unboxing videos, so if you guys like what you see, feel free to give me a like. Feel free to comment. And we're going to dive into it. So these I got off of a guy. I bought some of these before. A guy listed some more of these and decided to go ahead and end up picking them up. Basically, they are the FNQ crossovers. These are supposed to be brand new, but this one looks a little scuffed up. All of these are a little scuffed up looking. So there's two. Losing my pack of peanuts here. There's three. That one's got a big old cut in it. Big old scratch. There's three. Here is four. And five. So I got five of these. I ended up buying. Like I said, the weird part is these were all supposed to be brand new. And these aren't brand new. The other ones that I got from the guy, they were actually in like bags, little baggy type things. So I'll have to message him and figure out what's going on with these. But with these, if you've seen in some of my other videos, I have the 4-inch drivers that go with these. So I figured what I would try to do is I just hold on to them and try to make a component set or a couple component sets later on down the road. Let me try to open one of these up and show you guys here. For those that may not be familiar with these particular crossovers. These things are a huge pain in the butt, in my opinion, to open up. So basically, you got your cover. Cover comes off, and then there is your input, your mid bass, high pass, and then all your controls inside of here. And this one's all dusty too. It's always funny. Oh, there's stuff in it. Actually, this is loose. Not even on the board. Huh. I just had the crappiest luck with buying stuff from people lately. So, anyway, that pretty much wraps it up. The other thing, too, is that a lot of times if somebody's looking for a crossover for a component set or something like that, if I've got it, I can help them out because I don't need 5 of these. Realistically, I only need, I think, maybe 2 of these. So, but anyway, quick unboxing video. Trying to keep it short today. So, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Let me know either way. And have a good one, guys and gals.